If you have ever wanted to work in Saudi Arabia, today is your lucky day because we have a fantastic job opportunity for you. The company is well known, there are numerous job openings, the salary is attractive and interviews are soon going to be scheduled. So stay with us till the end of this video to know all the job details. Saudi Arabia will be your job location where this job opportunity is offered to you by a leading and reputable company named SEIF Operation and Maintenance. The company specializes in providing integrated facility management services including both hard and soft services such as asset maintenance, hospitality services, housing and office services, transportation services and many more. Currently they are hiring candidates for a big project. Shortlisting is ongoing for this job at ASMAC's offices in Mumbai, Chennai, Kochi and Bhubaneswar. To apply, all contact details will be provided in the video ahead. But before that, you can join the Hunts Job WhatsApp channel group by scanning this QR code where you will receive daily updates of job opportunities in various Gulf countries. Now let's take a look at all the job positions for which the shortlisting is in progress. Landscaping foreman, HVAC technician, chiller technician, BMS technician, light duty driver with Saudi license, civil multi-technician, HVAC senior engineer, electrical engineer, HVAC senior supervisor, cleaning supervisor, electrical supervisor, hard services or MEP supervisor, work control center or help desk coordinator, electrical technician, mechanical technician, plumbing water system, low current technician, plumbing technicians or plumbers, furniture carpenter, gypsum worker, gypsum carpenter, tile mason, wall painter, gardener, cleaning equipment operator, low current or BMS operator, mechanical and water system operator or RO operator, mechanical helper MEP, assistant electrical, assistant mechanical, assistant plumber. If you think you are eligible for these job positions, before applying, let's understand some essential points. Firstly, you must have relevant qualification, and secondly, you must have work experience in Gulf countries, especially in facility management or building maintenance projects. The salary for this job is negotiable, which means you can negotiate the salary with the company based on your knowledge and experience. Additionally, as a bonus, you will receive some fantastic free benefits from the company such as food allowance, free accommodation, free transportation, medical insurance, paid leaves and overtime perks as per the KSA labor law. If you are interested and want to apply, please do so quickly because after the shortlisting, your final interview with the company is going to happen very soon. The interviews will take place on November 15th in Kochi, on November 16th in Chennai, on November 18th in Bhubaneswar and on November 19th and 20th in Mumbai. Therefore, kindly get in touch with the office address shown on the screen and send your updated CV to the specified email address and WhatsApp number. We have mentioned all these details in the video description below. So friends, these were all the necessary details related to this job. It's a great opportunity with many benefits. So don't miss out on this chance and apply today itself. Thank you so much for watching and we wish you best of luck.